Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance Sexy Love. The music is Sexy Love, the artist is Neo, and the choreography is Ali James. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. Also, as a friendly reminder, if you're interested in the step-by-step instruction for this video, I'll post it at the end of this video. Also, please check out the 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024, the NOLA Southern Experience. For detailed information, please visit our website at www.LMIUNOLA.com. And here we go. Sexy Love. Make sure you check out the instructional. Also check out the NOLA Southern Experience, www www.LMIUNOLA.com. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat Teacher from New Orleans. I thank you for watching.